Hello friends, in this session today, let's understand about an interesting and very useful tool, Azure Data Studio ADS. Let's understand how to get it installed. Well, so here we go into my notes. Azure Data Studio is an user interface tool purpose to connect to local database servers, not only SQL Server. It even supports other database servers in local environment as well as Azure. So I'll just put this way: to connect to database servers both in on-premise, it's in on-premise as well as in cloud. Well, let's understand here main purpose. We can perform design, testing, management as well as migration operations using this wonderful tool called Azure Data Studio tool. Let's understand now how to install this tool. Simple concept. So here is a small diagram that gives us information about the ADS tool. It can help us when working with Fabric Cloud as well as Azure Cloud. How to install this Data Studio? The main interesting item here, ADS tool can be supported in Windows, Mac, Linux environments. So basic differences between SSMS and the ADS tool. When we say Azure Data Studio tool, the first question we usually get is SQL Server Management Studio versus Azure Data Studio. What's the difference between them? SQL Server Management Studio applicable for Windows operating system only. We have few extensions for non-Windows, but when it comes to full functionality, we need Windows for SSMS. Whereas Data Studio applicable for any OS. Management Studio for design, testing and management. This is more into design, testing and deployments. Deployments even includes migrations also. Deployments and migrations. Here we have TSQL scripts in a Management Studio, whereas Data Studio we have scripts and notebooks. We have migration options. Here also we have now latest ADS, we got migration options and DB project extensions we call. It is something, a new feature that was recently added, which is actually originally taken from other developer environments like Visual Studio and SQL Server data tools, that is being available right now, the project extensions, and we can even have it practically implemented in Fabric Cloud also. For example, you happen to get into the latest Fabric Cloud, for example, I'll step into a warehouse. Okay, assume for example you have a warehouse with you. Yes, the warehouse can access, I'll just show you here. It can access the content from something called database projects. What is that? Database projects. So whenever we work with the environment, like Fabric or Azure, etc., here it is. So while building any warehouse in Fabric or Synapse environment, we have something called database project, part of our Fabric classes. So whenever we work with this database project, from where we get this project? Yes, it is practically from Data Studio. SSMS will not help us in such aspect. We need project extensions available from Data Studio for Fabric migrations. And Management Studio is more into management activities, your profiler, DTA, and something called activity monitor tools. Whereas here, this one, it's more into deployment. No profiler DTA tools, but we have interactive dashboards. I'll simply put here, it's more into development, deployment activities. Dev, deploy, and build activities. So Data Studio is like user interface version of few concepts of Visual Studio and few concepts of Management Studio. That's actual simple understanding. I repeat again, Data Studio is having the combined beauty of Management Studio, few aspects, Visual Studio, few other aspects. Now let's understand how to get this tool downloaded. How it is, let's see. So for this purpose, I'll take you to, please wait for a few moments. I'll just get my Azure Data Studio, the new studio link. Here it is. Always go to this particular website anytime in future. It gives you the latest updated version. Okay, download now. Click on download now. Download Data Studio. We have Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. For now, I'll take Windows. We have user and system. You can take it per user. System means multi-users or all users. Let's take it per user. Anything is fine, not a big deal. For now, let's select it. It's almost done with the download now. Almost done with the download. Done now. It's done. So let me just go to my Data Studio. Yes. Just click on Data Studio here. Run it. So what we do, download and install. Okay. Once you install, you may need to restart your computer. Download, install, and restart your computer. Our next item, we need to learn how to use it for local SQL databases, Azure SQL databases, how to work with migration activities. Those are our next items to continue. For now, let's complete the installation for this particular part of this video. Let's wait for some time. Let's complete this installation. Let's wait. I just downloaded, install, and after installation, it asks you to restart your computer. Let's wait for some time. Let's get the things installed. During installation, remember, your operating system should not have any other installations. The reason for me telling this, we know Management Studio tool and SQL Server instance can be installed in parallel, right? But it's not the case with Data Studio. It's not the case. We have to install Data Studio as a standalone, independent, isolated installer. It cannot be combined with other server or product installations. Let's wait for some time. Let's get the installation complete. So this way, please make sure we get your things ready. You get your Data Studio ready to step into our next concept of our classes. Okay. Any further questions, clarifications, do let me know. Glad to assist you. Let's make sure we practice the things carefully on time throughout our course so that we get maximum benefit out of it. Thank you so much, and our installation is complete. Okay. So how to use this tool is the next part of this particular chapter. We'll do it slowly, step by step anyway. Let's not miss anything. Thank you so much. See you there in the next class. Thank you so much.